I'm going to be installing the rotor, front and rear O bars. So they're going to go right up here so that you can use them to get into. The Bronco comes with one right here, but sometimes it's just easier to hold and get up into the Bronco. So they're marked front and then they're marked rear, so you know which ones go where. And they come with spacers and then the mounting hardware. So I'm going to see how long it takes to put them on and then how sturdy they are afterwards. I did get them on Amazon. They're $85.99, and I was able to prime them, so I got them the next day. Now I decided to take the roof off just because it was so simple and gave me better access to use a ratchet wrench versus having to try and put a socket into the area. So as you can see, he's got the socket right there and then the socket right there. And then we can install, using the hardware that came with the rotor handlebars, we can put them in. So give me a second and we'll get to that. Okay, so I had a little bit of an operator error issue to begin with because I was trying to figure out how I was getting these in, because if you look, I had grabbed two of these. Well, I really need one of these and one of these. So the flat one will go up front and then the rounded one, the beveled one, will go to the back so that it sits in there properly. And then they're pretty sturdy. So now I got 3 more to go. So the back ones are a lot easier to get to. So I'm going to do that from inside so I don't have to remove the roof. So hopefully that'll save me like 30 seconds each. I got all 4 of them installed in probably about maybe 8-9 minutes, maybe a little longer, we'll see. So pro tip, okay, if you get these handlebars, I'd probably just get a socket now that you know what size it is, 5/16. It'll be a lot easier than trying to use a little ratchet wrench and taking off the roof and things like that. And then if you're going to record, probably find one of those little octopus mounts. That way you don't accidentally bump off your camera while you're trying to record installing one of the brackets. So I'm pretty impressed with them. They're nice, they're sturdy, easy to install. Maybe that's why they didn't come with directions, but can't complain. So we'll see if the wife likes them because, well, you know, happy wife and happy life.